This is the WH500 wireless on-ear headphones from Edifier. And yes, Edifier sent me these headphones to review, but this is gonna be a completely honest video about the product. So with that out of the way, let's start off with the design. The WH500 is very light at 172 grams, making it comfortable to wear even in long hours. It is also foldable, which is very good for the travel freaks out there. The leather-covered earphones are soft and are not overwhelming to the ears, plus the fact that the headband also has a foam, which really helps in terms of comfort. Next up is the latency, which for me is already more than decent, but Edifier wanted it to be even better, so they made the gaming mode feature, which decreases the latency even further. But to be honest, it's already too good that you won't even feel any latency at all. Now you go to the sound quality. The WH500 is supported by a 30mm driver, which essentially means bigger and louder sound. And what I like about these headphones is that although there's emphasis on the bass because of the size of the driver, you still have that good amount of high frequency sound, which is good for voice calls. And not only that, you can even customize the sound that's coming out from these headphones if you tune the EQ settings through the Edifier Connect app. And you may think that these headphones are for playback only. Well, my friend, you are wrong, because the WH500 has a built-in microphone, which I'm gonna let you hear in 3, 2, 1. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, test mic 1, 2. This is the sound coming out from the built-in microphone of the WH500 on-ear headphones from Edifier. And I am inside an untreated room with an AC unit turned on. And I'm gonna be quiet for a while so you can hear the noise floor in 3, 2, 1. My favorite feature though is the battery life of this thing. When fully charged, it can give you 40 hours of playback, and it has a fast charging feature that gives you 6 hours of playback in just 10 minutes of charging and a full battery in 2 hours. Truly something a backpacker would want to have. You can grab one of these headphones at a discounted price of 1,999 pesos if you buy using the link in the description box until December 31. It comes with 3 different colors. You have the powder blue, white, and black, which I wish I had. But thank you, Edifier. And those are my thoughts on the WH500 wireless on-ear headphones from Edifier. Thank you so much, Edifier, for making this video possible. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.